Hey everybody, I want to show you something right quick. Donnie just talked about the harmonic scanner. I want to show y'all this. The harmonic scanner is an indicator, okay? It's nothing but another indicator that shows you what's about to happen or what is going to potentially happen. So right now we're looking at Euro GBP, okay? We come over here and we go to the H1, scan it, okay? Euro GBP on the hour chart. We always use the hour chart. What this is saying is you want to monitor this trade because eventually they're calling it as a buy. See, right now it's selling right now. As you can see, the 5 and the 15, 5 and the 13, right, is in the sale. But they're calling it as a buy. So we don't want to jump in this right now. We want to wait for it to hit entry right here, right? And then we want to jump in and go to a buy. Now what we do is we monitor, we actually go back to our chart and verify this. What did Donnie teach us? You go back to our chart, right? Our Euro GBP chart right here, and we same thing, 5 and the 15, 5 and the 13, right? Cross, right? But it hasn't crossed yet. But they're anticipating that the MACD is going to come up and go into a buy. They're looking at this to come up, go into a buy. This is going to catch up and mustard will cross, and the RMM is already starting up, right? So this trade won't happen this week. It's probably going to be Sunday or Monday sometime before this trade forms. But it's giving you an indicator to go look at this trade and potentially get ready for a buy. So we know it's going to go into a buy because the harmonic scanner, is about 90%, right? When we go back to it, let's look over here. We'll go back to it. We know it's about 90% that it's going to hit TP1 right here. This is TP1. So we know it's going to hit TP1, TP2, TP3. I'm not, going on those. I'm just getting those TP1, TP2 because if we got that, look at the pips that we get. If we were to come and get it on the entry and we went up to TP1, that's 26 pips. Right, that's 26. See where it says 269? Well, that's 26 pips right there. You're done for the day. You've got yours for the day. So now how do we go back over to our to our chart and we sit and wait for it. We monitor it for when the MACDs cross and we jump in, right? Now, let's go back over to it and let's look at another one really quick. We go back and we scan for the hour one. Let's look at EuroCAD. Now, EuroCAD has already made its move. See, EuroCAD, this one was buying all this time, right? See, it's above the 50. It's above the moving average, above the 50. It's buying, right? But they're expected for it to go into a sale, right? And it did. It actually, now, now understand this. They said the Harmonic Scanner is a scalper, okay? So it's actually in a buy trend, but it scalped that sell right there. See it? It scalped that sell because it said it's going to enter, and then it's going to go down to TP1. Well, look, did it hit TP1? Yes, it did. That's about 30 hours ago. So we know this trade is already done. It's already made its move. And notice it's going back into this buy, right? It did not go down to TP2 or TP3 like they thought it might, right? But it did hit TP1. Now, how do we verify? Let's go back over to our chart. And let's go to EuroCAD. What was that? That was, oh yeah, EuroCAD. Okay, we're going to go over our EuroCAD here, right? Well, let's look. 30 hours ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30. Look, that's where we were. That's that scalp that they took right here. They told you to come in right here. Look at it. Now, see, Donnie teaches us what? Not to enter the trade until the catch up and mustard crosses. Then it crosses here. They both cross, right? Which they never did, because the yellow went back over. So by Donnie, we wouldn't have taken this trade, but the Harmonic Scanner caught it. And if you look at it, this is getting a little bit more advanced. See, what Donnie teaches and what a lot of people teach for beginner is to look for certain indicators and just do that. Don't get more advanced. But with the Harmonic Scanner, the Harmonic Scanner told you to scalp this trade right here. To scalp that trade, right? So we came in on this candle here and went down, like I said, about 26 pips, 27 pips, right? Same amount, because you come in on that second candle there and 27 pips, and you're good. You got out of that trade because the Harmonic Scanner told you to get out, okay? So that's how you use that, y'all. That's how you use the Harmonic Scanner. You want to take the Harmonic Scanner and you want to actually look at what it's saying and get ready for the trade. Hope everybody understand that.